Do you think your first video or your first project has to be perfect? If the answer is yes, you'll never even get started. Most of us give up before we begin for one single reason: perfection. We feel that if our first step isn't flawless, it's not worth taking. But this short story will change your perspective. Once, a young photographer sat by a beautiful lake, frustrated. He had the most expensive camera and the best lenses, yet he couldn't capture a single masterpiece. Nearby, an old, experienced photographer was quietly taking photos. The young man approached him and asked, "Sir, your photos look like magic. Do you have a secret technique that I don't?" The old man smiled, put his camera down, and pulled out dozens of memory cards from his bag. He said, "Son, you see this one photo that will be in the newspaper tomorrow, but you don't see the 500 photos I just deleted. The difference isn't that I take better photos than you. The difference is that I am willing to fail more times than you. My first 100 shots are useless. The next 200 are just okay. And then, finally, that one shot comes out that the world calls talent." Friends, we often judge our starting point by looking at someone else's finish line. We see their success, but not the failures hidden behind it. If you want to start YouTube, a business, or learn a new skill, remember, the first attempt will be bad, the second will be better, and the 100th will be great. Don't wait for perfection, just start, because an expert isn't someone who never made a mistake. An expert is someone who tried more times than you.